The ministry is reporting a critical shortage of tourism workers in the island, which could get worse over the next 2 weeks. Speaking at the opening of the Ocean Eden Bay Resort in Trelawney, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett revealed that over 7,000 hotel rooms will be built by 2024, but very few workers are applying for jobs in the sector. Kalisha Williams explains.
The COVID-19 pandemic saw scores of tourism workers out of a job as hotels and attractions were ordered closed. While the sector has been rebounding, many of the workers who left have not returned. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is concerned.
There is a pressing need to address the challenging staff situation that has emerged as a result of the disruption in the supply chain occasioned by COVID.
Speaking at the opening of the Ocean Eden Bay Hotel in Trelawney on Thursday, Mr. Bartlett stressed the urgency of recruitment in the sector as investors will be pumping $2 billion in the hotel industry over the next 2 years,
which will result in addition of 7,000 new rooms and more than 20,000 direct and new part-time and full-time jobs.
So what is being done? We were told the Jamaica Center for Tourism Innovation will be launching an initiative to recruit more persons, but Jamaicans need to come forward.
In early 2022, the JCTI will be rolling out the database of certified persons, which will enable certified job seekers to upload their resume to the online portal, while employers will be able to readily find and invite candidates with the right skills to apply for positions in their organization.
In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said as the island looks to celebrate 60 years of independence in 2022, greater focus will be placed on not just recruiting more people to work in the tourism industry, but strengthening the sector so the entire country benefits.
It's a policy position which is saying that these linkages must emerge organically, where people who are investing in Jamaica see it more efficient and more profitable and better business sense to buy here than to seek them overseas. So much more work needs to be done, Minister Bartlett, in our 60th year to ensure that all sectors in the Jamaican economy benefits.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.